हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल सोशल शेयर एजुकेशन में। इन टुडेज वीडियो वी विल लर्न टू राइट स्पीच ऑन वर्ल्ड कैंसर डे। Hello everyone, I am Rahul Mehta. Today I will tell you everything you need to know about World Cancer Day. World Cancer Day is celebrated on 4th February to raise awareness about cancer disease and to increase its prevention, detection and treatment. The main objective to celebrate this day is to reduce illness and death caused by cancer. It targets misinformation, raise awareness and reduce stigma. Cancer is a disease in which some of the body cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. The majority of cancers are due to genetic mutations from environmental and lifestyle factors. That include tobacco use, diet and obesity, infections, radiations, lack of physical activity and pollution. World Cancer Day was established on 4th February 2000 at the World Cancer Summit, which was held in Paris. Each year, more than 900 activities take place in over 100 different countries. Many initiatives are run on this day to show support for people affected by cancer. For example, No Hair Selfie. People shave their heads either physically or virtually to show a symbol of courage for those undergoing cancer treatment. Some organizations light up their official monuments with the color orange and blue to show their support for the day. On this day, several campaigns are launched in order to spread awareness on the day, along with the precautions, measures and treatment among the people and especially to those who are fighting with cancer. There are some prevention of the disease like don't use tobacco, eat healthy diet, maintain healthy weight and be physically active. Protect yourself from the sun, especially at midday. Get vaccinated and get regular Medicare. As the future of the nation, it is our duty to create awareness among the people. This is an important day and must be known to everyone. We should also try to participate in the events organized to raise awareness about cancer. अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाकर नोटिफिकेशन को भी ऑन कर दीजिए. Thank you so much for your valuable time and wish you all the best for your future.